now live. Hi. There is nobody there.
There must be.
No? There's nobody there.
क्या हुआ? Oh shit.
Hello, people. Oh, look at those hearts. All of them hearts. Surprise again. So I had this amazing event today. It was a webinar with the Entrepreneurs Organization Indore. Lovely people, fabulous questions, had a wonderful, heartfelt conversation. And then I said, as you know always, "Taiyar to hum ho hi rakhe hain. Let's go live." How are you doing? You good? Who's going to read all these comments? How do we read?
मैं ऐसे कर रहा हूँ तो it's giving me that filter. See? I'm not turning.
Perfect.
I'm not turning my neck.
See, it's not doing on.
Because it's got on Alisa now.
Okay, wait. No.
Okay then. What does it say? Hi. Take my name, please. Hi, Babu. Fire.
All good.
All good. I'm so glad you all are doing well, yeah? I was dying to have some coffee. And do you guys drink a lot of coffee?
What? What did I?
Your expression, you're saying. You're naughty. I know, her expression is permanently like this. You should try her like a whole day of saying Alisa. She's got expression 101 and 105, which is very expressive. Are you reading? Rensa, what are they saying? There's so many. Hi, how are you guys? We are fine. Yeah. We are fine. And
I also want coffee. It's a comment.
be my guest. Coffee date?
बहुत
Anyone?
कड़वी होती है मत पियो.
हाँ, मेरी वाली थोड़ी कड़वी बनती है.
तो बता रहा है. You should know, no?
Yeah, I like my coffee to be strong.
I love her name.
Alisa, you like Alisa's name? Or you like my name? Yeah, my name is a nice name. It means a beautiful smile. Actually, Sushmita has got many, many meanings. Beautiful eyes, beautiful smile, and a good friend. So, yeah, you didn't know?
No, I only thought beautiful smile.
You girls need to know a little bit more about your mother's name. I just think.
I always
Anyway, my daughter, this one, doesn't even know her mother's birthday.
Oh,
No, it's a fact, it's a fact.
You're
it's a fact.
sure?
And
No,
it's
that
terrible.
happened by accident. Okay,
Accident? 1975, born, she said 1957. मतलब हद होती है of a mistake. I'm her Nanna also now. Mama and Nanna. 57 born. Like that she is. Then, how are you doing? Visit Pakistan, inshallah. And daughters are pretty and so cute. I agree. I agree. My daughters are very pretty and very sweet.
Even she's cute.
And when they're not naughty, they're very nice people. Like really nice people. And then everything that I'm saying for them is also true about background. Mr. Roman Shawl.
Mom,
Thank you.
Also listen, guys. I am dying to tell you about Arya. I know that every time I come on, I tell you soon. But since you guys have just bombarded my timeline with wanting to know when, let me just tell you the last schedule is left for Arya, and it's not a very long one, so it should be done very soon. Back to soon. But more than soon, what is important is that the amount of love and appreciation you've given Arya. When we come back, you have to love season 2. है ना? So, अच्छी चीजों के लिए वेट करना पड़ता है ना? And what are you saying? Oh, hello.
Dad, do something.
उल्टा पढ़ना पड़ता है ना? You?
Why is that thing
What
not
is that
coming to
saying?
your face? वो छोड़ो. मैं ऐसे कर रहा हूँ, it's coming to mine.
No,
Why is
no,
not coming to your face?
fully touch.
अरे.
Ah, let's come. Finally. Look, this really suits me.
है ना?
Now you can take it back.
No, it's not coming. See, जो आपके पास आया फिर वो वापस नहीं आता.
There you go.
See, it didn't leave you. It didn't leave you.
I'm done. I I'm done.
So how do I get rid of this now?
Look at my face.
Ah!
See,
Oh, thank you so much. Okay, now what is it saying? क्या कह रहे हैं? It goes very fast.
You glow like a sun.
Aww. Thank you, Babu.
You are
If you're
looking
happy and you know it, glow
Clap
like a
your
sun. Glow like a sun.
But that's for you, no? We'll clap at
I love you too, yeah. Banini.
You're looking gorgeous.
Thank you, Jan. Lots of getting
Why are you
ready.
laughing when you're saying she's looking
Sorry, sorry, something got me.
Actually, listen, I'm trying to get myself a new playlist of music, and I am not liking very much the playlist that
I have
Rene
helped
Sen
you
and
with
Alisa
songs.
Sen have
I
given
gave
me.
you
No,
such a
I'm
good
saying.
song. I gave us such
I
a good
have
I have
suggestion
got-
dancing to.
We don't get beyond one
I
song
mean-
because you like it and you listen to it on repeat.
See,
How
I
are you
gave
giving
mom a
the other
song.
song the
I gave
chance?
mom a song, and mom was doing this, and she liked it. She said she liked
I
it.
played 2 songs. You liked it.
And I played one song today. You liked
So you see how quiet and peaceful this house is.
We're very
You say
peaceful,
one
very
thing,
quiet.
5 different versions of it comes out, and
But
no.
it's a
So coming
fact.
back, I need some good music. So can you guys please post me some like nice names and DM it gets lost. Okay, so just put it on one of the
I have a
last.
suggestion.
No, the last. What? Okay, what?
Why don't you like make a post saying new music and everyone likes it so it's there on your post?
Ah, would you like to do that?
it. I have some.
Send me some nice music, now, Babu. I
That's like
really
She
need
just
some
said
nice
no
music.
when I was like
And I keep introducing you to such lovely music all the time, so now you owe me. You have to give me good music. Hannah, what are they saying? Just completed Arya season 1. Aw, you just completed, matlab why you didn't watch it earlier?
I must have rewatched it, no?
बड़े
बड़े
अच्छे
अच्छे
लगते हैं.
Aw,
Beautiful soul.
thank you, Babu. You guys are
Yeah.
just awesome, man.
Wait, sorry, I missed the comment.
What?
Very sorry. I didn't read it.
What kind of music do you like?
Oh,
What kind of music? Yeah, good question. I like French house. I like house music.
My
I like,
singing.
I like some R&B. I don't know. Her singing is the best. No, that there's no comparison only. And the best thing about her singing is that no one else gets to hear it but me. Hannah, so far, it's true. The ring light in your chashmas are looking like two.
Peaches. Peaches. Oh, someone suggested you the song Peaches.
Is it nice?
It's not.
Mama, you
But
know.
she's an encyclopedia. If you knew about peaches, why didn't you show it to me?
I just didn't think it would be your type. It's a nice song.
It's a nice song. Okay, done. So we'll
Justin
check Peaches
Bieber.
out.
Justin.
Justin Bieber.
Peaches by Justin Bieber.
Okay.
My mom is actually really cool. It's just one song she's actually cooler than all of us.
अपने मुझसे और क्या करूं? I mean that's true.
Mom's cool. Really cool.
Yeah, पहले सब जाके जाएंगे. Cool बोलते रहना. हर एक सेंटेंस के बाद में mom is really cool. You know my mom is so cool. काफी लंबा ब्रेक हो गया अभी वापस cool बोलो. I can be tech savvy when I want to be tech savvy. Let's see what is she
She's
saying.
actually-
Big fan. Hi Babu.
Wait, sorry.
Scars to your beautiful. I know this song.
Alicia Cara, Scars.
Yeah, that's beautiful. That song is beautiful. That song is beautiful. Beautiful family. Thank you, Shana. Indeed, beautiful family. Roman, say something. No, you're not saying anything only.
Be shy that you know that. I'm like Chandler. I come with the
Yeah, Chandler.
Online jokes.
Chandler is it? Chandler.
His name is Chandler. What do I do?
Don't.
Are friends?
Achha,
wala
can
Chandler.
we just read what they're saying?
Third was,
Tell me.
I like your dressing of Arya.
Aww.
Levitating by Dua Lipa.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
let me
that's a-
Dua
that's
Lipa
a-
I like. I really like Dua Lipa.
Oh.
Really like her. And she sings Dua Lipa very well.
No.
The songs. Yes.
Are why is this thing?
Change.
So anyway, the good thing is that they had asked me something. Now I forgot what the question was. Tattoo? क्या? कौन सा वाला tattoo जान? बहुत सारे हैं. ये वाला? ये वाला कहता है कि या तो मैं रास्ता ढूंढूंगी या बनाऊंगी. No is not an option. है ना? मतलब thank you, sweetie. I'm glad you like it. अच्छा then. Wicked Games. Babu, that one is my favorite. Thank you so much, but Wicked Games I already have. That one I love. Love you, Roman.
थैंक यू. कोई तो बोला.
बाद में आके मिलना बाद में आके. और तुम तो अभी आके मिलो अभी. Yeah, but that's it. This is how much of you is going to be shown now.
Before we miss that.
Appreciate
Okay.
by magic.
Babu, again this thing has come to me. Take it.
No, mom, just like let me.
दे लो मेरे को.
Oh no, ना बोलता बस.
I'm the lucky one that has
यार आपके पास जो जाता है कहते हैं वापस नहीं आता.
No, just cover your head, cover your head.
How do you take it out?
Cover your head.
It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Babu, you can't leave the frame. There's love coming your way. Proud of you. I love you, yeah.
Love from Himachal.
Oh.
Beautiful place.
Yeah, I agree.
You don't.
कब से कह रही हूँ माउंटेन लेके तुम लोग नहीं सुनते यार.
What does Roman mean?
What does Roman mean?
The one who's loved by all. Thank you. That's the irony of my
We are
life.
supposed to say that to you.
Really?
That they love you.
Like we are so like.
पूछ रहे हैं बताऊंगा ना.
हाँ.
है ना?
Loved by everyone.
Oh wait, did someone say fight song by?
Oh, fight song is nice. That fight song is also
Yeah.
nice. Hey, more music, please. There comes. What?
Sacrifice by Elton John.
समझ में नहीं आया उनका क्या बोला उसने कमेंट में.
Oh sorry, too fast. Hey ma'am, please take my name. Lisha, did I read that correctly?
You speak Bengali? हाँ मैं बांग्ला बोलते पारी.
আমি একটু বাংলা জানি.
ও বাংলা বলতে পারে. তুমি একটু নিচে নামো না.
বাংলা
দেখতে পারা যাচ্ছে না.
আমি একটু বাংলা জানি. তুমি একলা চলো রে.
Actually, that's such a great song. I don't know if you guys know the song, but যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো. What it means? What it means?
Yeah, it means that when
When no
there's
one walks with you, you walk alone.
no, it means when the
Yeah.
So when no one is there to hear you, and when no one is there by your side,
Right.
then don't wait for anyone to come and
That's what I
join you.
said,
Just
right?
walk by yourself.
That's what I said.
By
When
all
no one
means,
walks
keep
with you,
moving.
You walk alone.
Guruji. That was so correct.
But that's exactly.
And just at least say one word in Bengali because you know.
खूब दारुण.
तुम पास हो गए. You're doing okay.
Okay.
Tata, Nanna,
আমি বাংলা একটু একটু বলতে পারি কিন্তু আমি বাংলা সমঝতে পারি
Yeah, right.
আমার বাংলা আরো ভালো আছে।
আচ্ছা
Yeah.
না
No, I
ও
think
কিন্তু খুব
someone-
no ও পরিষ্কার বুঝতে পারে. She can understand everything. This one just cows how.
Lisha, what did you say?
Alicia?
Lisha.
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 Hi Lisha.
I mean, I read it all the time. Did I hear it correctly?
Yeah, you always read it. Nothing new.
That's me.
1975, 1957.
Oh, so many.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Have you heard Nag? What?
No.
Sorry, please. Such a beautiful family.
खूब
Too, too,
मिष्टी.
too, too, too.
खूब मिष्टी.
Hi.
Hi guys. Have you been all holding up good?
Hi ma'am.
Huh?
Please मेरा नाम लो.
फिर मैं सबका नाम ले रही हूँ.
See.
I love you all. सब अपना अपना नाम इमेजिन कर लो. बस बहुत सारे हैं. हाँ.
My
So-
name is.
Listen, there's again no agendas in coming live, and as always, it's a surprise. And हम ऐसे ही आए थे, ऐसे ही चल जाएंगे. Oh yeah. So today in that wonderful webinar that we had, they said sing a song, and I said sure, and I sang a song. मतलब इसे कहते हैं
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Call.
और मैंने अच्छा भी
She
गाया.
has a beautiful voice.
ये भी समझाया था पहले लाइव
No,
में.
no,
सब
no, no.
समझ
No,
बूझ के
I'll tell you.
बोलना.
No,
हाँ.
I'm actually very critical of people who sing. So, I am.
गुरुजी धन्य है हमारे भाग.
No, but mom actually sings.
You know, so there was a wonderful team of people in the webinar today, and then they said, I'd heard you sing a song It's a human sign. I mean, sacrifice. Sorry, yeah, I know. I just go straight to the lyrics. You know, so Sacrifice by Elton John. And when this one was a little baby, she was one of those babies who cried like the whole night, and you had to walk with her the whole night, and then nothing I would do would work except singing Sacrifice into her ears, and then she would just fall
You
asleep.
have to say why I would cry, otherwise everyone will think I'm a very cranky child. I'm not a cranky child.
But you're not a child only right now. I'm saying when you were a
But
child.
I'm not cranky.
How do you know that? You were a small baby.
No, but that was
Because I have flashbacks.
You said I was very.
Acha, we are supposed to be going live with them.
Hi.
Hi.
See now what it says here.
What? Sorry. 1 second.
Oh, I love you, yeah. The truth is, you guys inspire me every day of my life for decades now. To be a better person, to be giving, because that's what you've done for me.
Will
You've
you
given.
marry me?
No.
Actually, not for you, for Mama. Will you marry me? Mama, will you marry
So I answered on her behalf only, no?
He quickly answered, no. Yeah.
You just got a glimpse of.
What? Glimpse
You
of
said
what?
no.
Ah.
So angry.
Love you too, Janmiri. Love you all.
me? So shy.
Thank you, sweetheart. Beautiful.
Love
these
you so
comments. Love from Pakistan. Hello, sweeties. Lots of love.
Camon
Achin.
Achin. Sorry. What? Okay, sorry.
Thank you.
I took it off.
Thank you, sweetheart. Love you 3000 infinity. Actually, the thing we have is we don't put a number to it. We just say love you infinity, because you can't beat that. Can you?
Infinity square or pi?
No, you can't.
No, you can't.
Infinity is infinity.
You have to be
can't
the
square
first one
and
to
pi.
say it.
Oh yeah, this is like a nighttime routine. So every time mom comes to put me to bed, tuck me into bed. So the first one, so we both have to enter the room. The first one to say I love you infinity gets it. But if you by chance
Missed
miss
it.
saying it, then when she comes out, then the first person to say love
Wins for the
Wins.
night. And I must tell you that I have been winning every single night, because my daughter is not even trying. She's discussing everything under the sun when I'm saying good night to her, except I love you infinity.
No, actually, I got
Can I tell you a
love.
hidden talent of my mom?
I have a hidden talent?
Yes.
Yes.
Discovering food.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
She has
Discovering
best.
food.
She discovers the most amazing food in restaurants.
Banana nahi aata na, so I discover it.
बनाना आता है,
Next
बनाते
time,
नहीं.
yeah. Oh my god, she's such an amazing cook.
She's
You know,
a
she
amazing
makes
cook.
say these kind of things for eggs.
Seriously. Her eggs.
I'm sorry, what is happening?
Scrambled eggs.
Excuse this.
Where is this conversation going?
It's going to
Scrambled
live
eggs.
to a lot of people. Okay, guys, listen. We better stop this before these chingumingus go all over the place. Just wanted to say, drop in, say hi.
No, but
And-
mom's a very, very good cook.
Yeah,
Thank
She'll
you.
be a very good cook.
Today, everyone's really earning points, and I really like it. You said nothing nice today,
I know,
Jan.
my
Maybe
uncle
you
is
should
just
too.
mean.
No. I love
So
you
kind
too.
of you.
I love you too. I love you guys so much. Stay happy, stay warm, look after each other, and know that you're very, 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 very loved. Duga, Duga. Ashi,
Issue.
how do you switch it up?
The cross.
The cross.
The cross.
Okay, and then
And now.